Welcome to the front of OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's just launch the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that we just should click here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, on the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here the information about our device battery health, and in my case this is good. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, just capacity, temperature of our battery, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.